Hi folks, this is question 3. So in how many ways can the letters in the word camogie be arranged? So it's just be 7 factorial. So there's 7 possibilities for the first letter and then 6 for the second because you've used them, and then so on. So you can just put that in the calculator if you know how. So you should get 5040. So that's how many ways. How many of the arrangements start with M and end with a vowel? Right, so if you think about the 7 letters then, so the first one has to start with an M, so there's only one possibility for what that could be, that's M. The last one has 4 different possibilities because it could be A, O, I or E. They're the only vowels in the letter or in the word. Now from there, those are the only conditions that we need to meet. So the rest of them could be any letters then. So this one has 5 different possibilities then because 2 of the letters are gone already. They've already been chosen. So then there's 4 possibilities left then, and then 3, and then 2, and then 1. So we just need to multiply those numbers by each other then. So we get 480. So that's the answer. How many arrangements of 3 different letters can be made from the letters in the word camogie? So you can use the NCR button on the calculator. That's on most calculators. So it's going to be, there's 7 letters to choose from, and it's going to be, you want to pick out 3 different letters from it. So it's 7 choose 3. So 7 choose 3 is what you're doing. So you can use that use the calculator again, and you should get 210 when you do that. So that's it for the first part. Second part, so it's a scatter plot and it's asking us about the correlation coefficient. So well, we know that when they go up from left to right, that means it's going to be positive. When they go down from left to right, that's going to be negative. So we can already see there's one negative one here. So that has to be where the dots are going down. So they're going down in A there. So A has to be that one. Now, the closer the dots are together, the closer the correlation coefficient will be to 1. So you can see that these ones here are closer together than the ones here, if you put in a line of best fit there. So because the ones are closer in B, that means that that's going to be B, because 0.95 is closer to 1. It's almost 1. 0.6 is a good bit away from 1 then, and that means that the dots are more spread out. So therefore it's going to be C. For scatterplot B, explain why the value you picked is correct. So so it's an almost perfect positive correlation. So something to that effect. So it's an almost perfect positive correlation. So therefore 0.95. You could say as well dots are close together. That'd be a good thing to put in there. Sometimes it's hard to know what to put in those explanation ones. So something to that effect will get you the mark. So that's it for that question.